and welcome to this episode where we check out this funny octopus that keeps the ball in the air, and the second part when you will find out how this is actually working. So keep watching, and if you liked it, please let us know and press the like button.
Toys for you.
How does he do it? Well, let's find out together. Oops. Okay, buddy. Your time is up. I have a screwdriver. It was somewhere around here, but I lost it. Oh, here it is. Okay, let's find out. First, we need to unscrew. Oh my god, this screwdriver is too large. 1 second. I'm back with 2 screwdrivers. Let's see which one does the job. We'll try to open this. More light would be needed, but I'll try to do my best with what I have. Kids, don't do that if you are alone. Always ask a grown-up to do this. Okay, looks like this screwdriver does the work, and I really hope I'm unscrewing the good part. Okay, this is what we have. Again. There it is. There you have it, guys. Our funny octopus. Yes? Air coming out. There we have the engine, speakers. There you have the electric motor, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and see you in the next one. Remember, laughter is contagious, so keep smiling and spread the joy.